Everyone keeps chasing horsepower, 0 to 60 times, and touchscreen everything. But somehow, in the middle of all the noise, we forgot about this. This car isn't just another old BMW. It might be the most underrated car in the world right now, and no one's talking about it. The E30 came out in the early 80s, back when BMW meant something raw, focused, and German in the best way. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement. Balanced, rear-wheel drive, tight manual gearbox, and the kind of handling that made you feel like a hero. Everyone remembers the M3, but this car, the 318i, the 325i, the humble E30 sedan, they're just as magical, if not more accessible. What makes a car great isn't just speed, it's connection, it's feedback, it's character. The E30 isn't fast by today's numbers, but that's not the point. It makes 140 horsepower feel like a rocket ship. It talks to you through the steering wheel. It begs you to downshift just for the sound. It doesn't drive for you. And in a world of self-driving cars and endless driver aids, that's a rare kind of freedom. It's also reliable. It's cheap to maintain. You can wrench on it yourself. Try saying that about a new M4. The E30 is the blank canvas of car culture. Drift missile, sure. Weekend cruiser, absolutely. Time attack machine, seen it. Whether you're a stance guy, a track guy, or just someone who loves clean classics, the E30 community is massive and still growing. But even with all that, people still sleep on it, and that might not last much longer. E30 prices are creeping up. Hardtops, manuals, clean titles, they're not as cheap as they were 5 years ago. But right now, you can still find a good one for under 10,000. That window is closing. Because once people remember what this car is, it's game over. It's not hype, it's not TikTok trends, it's just a damn good car that time forgot. We live in a world where cars are losing their soul. Every year, it gets harder to find something that makes you feel something behind the wheel. The E30 is a reminder that cars used to be simple, beautiful, mechanical, human. It's not perfect. It creaks, it leaks, it makes you work. But maybe that's the point. So if you ever get the chance to drive one, take it, and you'll understand why some of us still believe this might just be the most underrated car in the world.